In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to set up partner program tracking on PartnerStack so you can easily manage and track your partner relationships. If you're looking to take control of your affiliate or partner programs and streamline how you measure performance, stick around because I'm diving into exactly how to do that, step by step. Before we get started, I want to let you know that you can access PartnerStack for free right now through the first link in the description below. We've secured an exclusive bonus just for you, so make sure to grab it. PartnerStack offers a user-friendly platform that helps businesses like yours manage their partner relationships more effectively. Setting up partner program tracking is key if you want to know how your partners are performing and what's working best. The first thing you need to do is set up your account and log into your dashboard. Once you're in your PartnerStack dashboard, head over to the Partners section. This is where you can see an overview of all your partners, including affiliates, resellers, or referral partners. If you're just getting started, you'll want to add your partners here manually or import them in bulk if you have a large network. Now, let's move to the most important part, setting up tracking. PartnerStack makes it super simple to track the activity of your partners and their performance. The first thing you need to do is create a new program or select an existing program you want to track. Click on Programs in the navigation and you'll either create a new one or adjust an existing program. When setting up your program, you'll be able to define how you want to track your partners. This includes commission structures, sales goals, and the type of activity you want to measure. PartnerStack integrates with a variety of systems so you can track conversions, clicks, signups, and sales, whatever fits your business model. Make sure you set up these tracking parameters clearly from the start to avoid confusion later on. Next, configure your tracking links. PartnerStack allows you to create unique tracking links for each partner. When partners share these links, you can monitor every click and conversion that comes through. This ensures that you're accurately rewarding your partners for their efforts. Don't forget about the automated reporting feature in PartnerStack. Once you have your partners and tracking set up, the software generates detailed reports that you can view in real time. These reports include information on partner performance, commissions earned, and even metrics like customer lifetime value, so you can adjust your strategy as needed. At this point, you should also set up notifications so you can be alerted when significant milestones are met or when performance dips. This allows you to respond quickly and keep your program running smoothly. Finally, make sure to review your settings and test everything before going live. Run through the partner journey, click the links, make test transactions, and ensure everything is tracking as it should. This will help you avoid any headaches down the road. Once you're confident that everything is set up correctly, you're good to go. PartnerStack will automatically track the activity and performance of your partners based on the parameters you've defined. To sum it up, setting up partner program tracking on PartnerStack is simple once you break it down. Just remember, add your partners, create and customize your programs, configure tracking links, and keep an eye on those real-time reports. And remember, you can start using PartnerStack for free with our exclusive bonus. So check out the first link below to claim your bonus and get started today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.